Namaste. Welcome to namastehindi.com and I am your Hindi educator Priyanka Raj. Today we will explore two magical sounds in Hindi, the Anuswar and the Visarga. Get ready to listen, repeat and have fun. So what are these special sounds? In Hindi, some symbols sit above or after a letter and change the way it sounds. We call these special sounds as ang, anuswar and aha, visarg. Ang, anuswar is a dot above the letter that adds a nasal hum like or ang or and aha is visarg, that is two dots after the letter, and they add a soft breathy sound aha, aha. And in the next part we are going to learn about these in detail. Ang, the nasal dot. A small dot above a letter is called anuswar and it gives a gentle nasal sound like humming through your nose. Let's look at the example. Example is angur. Angur. Focus on the first sound angur. And angur is called grapes in Hindi, English. Listen for the hum at the start and repeat after me. Angur. Angur. Yes, very good. Now, the next vowel is aha, the breathe dots. The two small dots after the letter are called visarga. It adds a light, airy breathe, like a soft huh at the end. Example is dukh. Dukh, that is sadness. Can you feel the little breath after dukh? Dukh, dukh, like namah, namah. Okay. Now let's break it down in simple words. Both symbols change the sound of the letter they sit with, but in different ways. Like ang sounds like a soft hum through your nose. Close your mouth and say mm, that is anuswar. Try it. Sang, rang, ank. Okay. Now let's look for aha sounds. A tiny puff of air at the end of the sound, like sighing softly. Ah, that's called visarg. Try it. Say namah, namah, namah. That aha sound that is coming at the last is aha, visarg, namah. And pratah, pratah. Yes, very good. Now it's your turn. Let's practice. Say each word out loud and focus on the special sound at the beginning or the end. Angur. Say, repeat after me. Angur. Yes, say it one more time. Angur. Now say sang. That means together. Sang. 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 Yes. The third one is dukh. Dukh. Sadness. Dukh. Can you feel the her sound? Dukh. Yes. The last one is namah. Namah. Namah is salutation. Namah. Yes, very good. Now, here is a mini activity for you. Look at each symbol and match it to its name and sound. Can you do it? Point and say the answer out loud. This symbol, ang, is it Anuswar, nasal hum, or the Visarga, breathe sound? Yes, ang is Anuswar. And now the symbol, aha, is it Visarga, breathe sound, or the Anuswar, nasal hum? Yes, it is Visarga, breathe sound. Now let's say it aloud. Rang, rang. Which special sound do you hear? Rang. Listen for that hum. Rang. Very good. Now, before moving further to our last vowel of this Hindi vowel series, let's have a quick recap. You learned two special sounds in Hindi today. Let's remember them. Ang is for Anuswar and aha is for Visarga. Ang have a dot above the letter and it makes a nasal humming sound like Angur. And Visarg have two dots after the letter and it makes a soft breathe sound like duk. And why they matter? Because these symbols change the meaning. So spotting them helps you read and speak Hindi more clearly. Okay? Shabash! Amazing work today. And shabash means well done in Hindi. You have taken your first step to Hindi special sounds. Keep practicing and you will be a Hindi star. You have learned ang, you have learned aha, and now it's time for our last vowel. So, let's meet in the next session. Namaste.